31 Days of Dunctober, Day 16. What a beautiful morning! Oh, hello there. Good morning and welcome to day 16 of 31 days of Dunctober. How are you on this super duper morning? Are you okay? Are you fine and dandy? I hope so. Look over there. The Wrekin has disappeared. It's shrouded under cloud this morning. I am often asked about the weather here in England. Well, if there is one thing us Brits like talking about, it's the weather. By the way, Brits is an informal word for British people. England is part of Great Britain, so I guess that makes me a Brit. Right now we are in the middle of October, which tends to be a cool and wet month. As the month goes on, the days become much cooler, especially at night. This morning is a pretty typical one for October. It is very damp right now. The air is cool and fresh. It's not too windy at all. So it's a calm morning. The cloud is not too thick either, so it looks like I'm in for a rather pleasant day. There is a wonderful expression in English, make hay while the sun shines. This expression means that you should make the best of an opportunity when it presents itself. You should grab the chance to do something while it is there. When the sun is out, do something that will make the most of that event. Make hay while the sun still shines. Do it now, because if you wait too long, you might find yourself standing in the dark, and that opportunity will have passed you by. What is that noise I keep hearing? What is making that sound? What is that sound? I keep hearing it. Oh well. Look! My mail has arrived. My lovely post lady has just delivered my mail to me. Let's see what is in this pile of letters. Junk, 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 junk. Are you worried about rising energy prices? Yes, I am. Thanks for asking. It certainly is a damp morning here in England. Even my lawn is covered in a fine layer of moisture. Tiny droplets of water have formed on the blades of grass. This is called dew. Do you recognise this behind me? It's where I was hanging my wet washing last week. It's called a clothesline. It's where I hang my clothes. But this is no ordinary clothesline, because on a windy day it slowly rotates. It spins around, which is very useful for when you have lots of wet clothes to dry. This is a clothes peg. You use clothes pegs to hang your washing out. You peg out your washing. You hang your washing out to dry. There is an expression in English, hang a person out to dry, or hang someone out to dry. This means that you punish or defeat someone. You allow a person to take the blame for something and leave them to suffer their punishment. Remember, if you get into trouble, you might find yourself being hung out to dry. Do you know what's coming next? Well, do you? Yes, you are spot on. It's time to say hello to some super duper special places around the world. Hellos around the world. A big hello to Colombia, Egypt, Mexico, Singapore, Georgia, and Peru. Sadly, that is all I have time for today. I will allow you to get on with your day, and I will carry on with mine. I will see you bright and early tomorrow morning for day 17 of 31 Days of Dunctober. Don't forget, you can check out my playlist. The link is here. If you have missed any of my days, go here and you will be able to catch up with everything and watch my episodes again and again and again until you wear your mouse out. I will see you bright and early tomorrow for another day and some more of me, I'm afraid. Catch you later. Ta-ta for now. I have finally found out what is making that sound. It's my trousers. They are rubbing together. My corduroy trousers are making a noise.